So my nights start a little like this. I usually get home from any errands that I did throughout the day. I put my bag and my keys down. Usually Louis is so quick to greet me at the door, which I love. He's running around all day, so he's probably anxious for me to get home. I quickly change from my shoes to something a little bit more comfortable. I am, yes, team no socks. I seriously never wear socks. So the first thing I do when I get home is take Louis out because he's been waiting all day and he's been so good about not peeing anywhere. So I do have to make sure I take him straight out so he can go and pee. Then I put up my candles just so the house can smell a little bit better, and then let Louis come right back in to go crazy. I quickly start getting everything ready for dinner. I start cleaning some dishes, wash my hands, get whatever I'm gonna make for the day. So today we're gonna be making some ground beef tacos, and I like to make rice with my tacos as well. So I'm just showing you guys a little clip of me just making food. If you guys want like a detailed video of how I'm cooking, then I would definitely do that for you guys. Of course, I always vlog. I try to vlog at least every day, so here you guys will see me vlogging and cooking at the same time. So I'm also picking the extra stuff for our food and just making sure I have dinner ready. I do try my best to have a home-cooked meal every day. Of course, sometimes with time, it's kind of hard. Mondays are pretty much guarantees. Ulises is off on Mondays, as you guys can see here. Our schedule varies. Sometimes he gets off of work really late. He won't be home till about 9, 10 o'clock sometimes, so I won't even bother doing dinner. I'll just do something small for myself and my niece. But for the most part, I do try to have home-cooked meals whenever he is getting off of work early. Once we're done eating, I go quick to washing dishes. I don't like to have my house dirty for the morning, even though I will wake up in the morning. You guys will see in my morning routine that I still wake up to clean a little bit, but I feel like if you're cleaning small spots here and there, you won't have to worry about doing deep cleanings throughout the week. Now I'm gonna go upstairs, plug in my phone, and I'm gonna start editing my vlog. So I usually edit any beauty videos in the daytime, and then my vlogs, I usually do them at night. Usually right after I'm done vlogging for the night. That's why I always give you guys late uploads, but I feel like you guys actually enjoy the late uploads more than early uploads based on, you know, what time you guys are home from the day. So that works out. After I'm done doing that, I go and start working on removing my makeup, and I'm going to be getting into the shower. So it's a little bit weird how I exfoliate and cleanse my face. I like to clean off my makeup with a wipe first, and then I get my water ready because I do wash my face in the shower. You guys will see in a little bit how I wash my face. So I'm going to get into the shower, take off my clothes, you know, get naked. It was so crazy filming these shots, but I did want to give you guys a very raw video of kind of how it goes down. I usually try to take my time because my water takes a long time to get warm. So I'm sitting here just really trying to take my time before I get into the shower because I want it to be nice and hot in there. So once I'm in there showering, here I am, thinking I'm so cute in the shower. I start my shower and then I grab my Cetaphil soap. So I live by Cetaphil. My moisturizer, my lotion, my night cream, my under eye cream, everything is through Cetaphil. I've been having really dry skin for a couple of months, even before my pregnancy. I've had really dry skin. I feel like Cetaphil is the only thing that works for me. At night, I usually take body showers because I do shower twice a day, in the morning and at night. I just can't go to sleep without showering. So at night, I just take a quick body shower, and then in the morning when I post my morning routine, you guys will see I take a full shower where I wet my hair. I don't like to wet my hair obviously twice a day because it's not good for your hair. It can dry it out. So that's why we decide to just do the body shower at night. So here we're just turning off the water and I'm getting myself out of the shower. So here we're obviously doing the basic stuff. I'm gonna put my underwear on and I'm going to change into my robe. Usually when I'm wet, I like to put on a robe while I exfoliate my skin. and then we will switch out to what I would wear at night. I definitely try to take my time with my face at night, and you guys will see here even after my shower. I'm gonna go in there with my Vanity Planet Spin for Perfect Skin. I've been using this for a little over a year now, and everybody, whether it's Vanity Planets or any other type of brush, I recommend for you guys to use this for exfoliation. It definitely grabs all those areas that the soap might have missed when you were in the shower. You guys can get this one with my coupon code. I'll link all the details below, but it's definitely amazing. I use my Origins cleanser and I wash my face all over again. And then I lightly just dab my face with a clean white towel. I have these little white towels next to me in a little box where I can get a fresh one every day. Then we're gonna go in and grab the Cetaphil night cream. So this is actually new from Cetaphil, but it's so hydrating. Even just when I apply it, you guys can see it's a little oily, a little greasy, but not too much. So if you're somebody who suffers from really oily skin, I would definitely recommend for you guys to do this at night, and you will wake up with your skin so hydrated in the morning. I usually don't worry too much about putting lotion on my body at night. I don't get really dry around my skin. It's usually just my face. I moisturize my body and like put lotion on my belly and all that stuff in the morning for my morning routine to start off my day. After putting my robe away and switching into my pajamas, I just get the bed ready, and I also chill a little bit on my bed and just look through Instagram. I have the bed ready, so when Ulises gets home, he usually just gets home straight to go to bed, and I'm usually downstairs either watching a movie or doing something. By this time, it's around 9:30, 9 o'clock. Ulises actually went to go clean the shop, so he's not home right now, so that's why I'm just gonna go downstairs, get a late snack. That's kind of what I do around that time. I'll get hungry again, so I'll just go get a small snack and I'll watch a movie or catch up like on a show. So here I'm just looking through the fridge and I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat. So we decided to get some cucumbers, and I say we because my niece is obviously here with me. I didn't really add her in my night routine because she's the one doing the vlogging, but she's usually right there next to me. So I'm cutting up the cucumbers. That's what I've been pretty much craving. I've been craving a lot of spicy food, which is not good because I don't think it's bad for the baby necessarily, but I've been having horrible heartburn. But I just cannot stop eating limon and tajin. So I'm gonna drench my cucumbers in a bunch of limon, and I'm also gonna add a lot of tajin because this is literally what I've been living for. If it's not this, it's obviously hot Cheetos with limon. I just said hot Cheetos. Hot Cheetos con limon. But those are like my go-to snacks. Or an apple with tajin. I've kind of been craving apples as well. Now I'm getting myself comfortable in my little corner. I always fight everyone for this little corner because you can lay down. I'll set up my snack, I'll get my phone ready to charge, and then I'll grab my remote so I can pick a movie. I live for Lifetime movies, so I picked this movie by the Jodi Arias story, and I'm just gonna sit there and enjoy my snack till my husband gets here. He'll usually, when he gets home, he'll chill with me for a little bit. And then we'll both come upstairs. Louis is in his little cage. He still sleeps in his crate. Now we're gonna brush our teeth and get straight to bed. I'm getting myself ready to watch Netflix because I go upstairs but not to go to sleep. I just go up there so Ulises is not just up there chilling by himself. So he's probably telling me something stupid right there. That's why I started dying of laughter. He didn't want to be on the camera with no shirt on, but I'm literally, this is my life. Like, I just chill there. I'm up until 3, 4 o'clock in the morning sometimes, just watching Netflix until I finally get tired and go to sleep. But this is my nighttime routine. I really hope you guys all enjoyed it. I'm pretty sure there was a couple of things that I missed here and there, but you guys get the idea. Hope you guys all enjoyed it, and thank you guys all so much for watching. Love you guys.